Maya arrives at the beach and looks at the big blue water. She takes off her shoes and walks on the sand. The sand is warm under her feet. This place is so beautiful. She puts her bag down and sits near the water. Small waves come and touch her feet. The water is cold but nice. She smiles and watches them play. She takes out her water bottle and drinks slowly. She looks at the sky and sees no clouds at all. I want to stay here all day. A small crab walks near her foot and she jumps up. Oh, you scared me, little. She watches the crab walk slowly back to the water. She picks up a small white shell from the sand. She looks at the shell carefully and says, "This is so pretty." She puts the shell in her bag to take home. She sits back down on her towel and eats her small snack. She opens a banana and eats it slowly. She says, "Food always tastes better at the beach." Taking a photo of the sea. Oh, it is already 4 o'clock. Platform 5. Okay, let's go. She walks to platform 5 and stands and waits. She looks at the other people waiting with their bags. A little girl near her is eating a cookie and smiling. Maya smiles at her and the little girl smiles. She hears a loud sound and the train arrives. The doors open and people start to get on. Maya gets on the train and looks for a good seat. She finds a seat near the window and sits down. She puts her bag on her lap and looks outside. The doors close and the train starts to move slowly. Here we go! She watches the station get smaller and smaller behind her. The view from this train is so pretty. Oh, this is my stop. She stands up and picks up her bag fast. Have a good evening. The doors open and Maya gets off the train and sees a big green hill. I want to go up there. She starts walking up the hill slowly. The path is small and the trees are tall. She stops 2 times to drink water and rest. My legs are tired, but I will not stop. After a long walk, she reaches the top. She looks down and sees the whole town below her. Maya walks down the hill and feels very hungry. I'm so hungry. She sees a small restaurant with tables outside. Oh, perfect! She sits down and a man brings her the menu.
Here you are.
Everything looks so good. She looks at the menu and says, everything looks so good. I'd like to order a pizza and a glass of cold water, please.
Coming right up. Here you go, enjoy.
Maya pays the bill and says, "That was so delicious." She stands up and picks up her bag. She walks out of the restaurant and feels very full and happy. Now, where should I go?